Hey, hi, good morning everyone. So this is Jones from Excel software team. Today I'm going to guide you about installing Clara in next machine. So if you have to go to this help.excelsoftware.com where we can find this Excel Clara documentation. So you can go to this documentation. So we need to choose the latest version. So here you will find the installation and configuring part. Here first we need to go through these system requirements. So to install this Clara in the Docker version, we need a Docker version should be more than 20 plus. Okay. So I have this Linux machine. So I'm going to cross check the Docker version that I have in this Linux machine. See, currently I'm having the version 26. So it is compatible to install Clara in this machine. Okay. So now I'm moving on to the next step, like installing this Clara on this machine. So to install the Clara, we need first the package. Okay, so you can get the package from here. So I already have the package downloaded in this machine. See, this is the offline version package. Now once you got the package, you need to untar this file. Okay, so this is the command to untar. Yeah, it will take a little bit of time to unzip all the local images. Yeah, now all the files are unzipped, so I can cross check that. Yeah, see, this Excel Clara is the file that is extracted from this zip file. Okay, we need to move inside this Excel Clara. You can find all the local images, that is the offline images, and the installation script command. Okay, so once everything is entered, we need to use this command to install this Clara. Okay, we are going for this offline version, so the install command will be like uh, then we have to use these load images for offline installation. Then I'm giving the port. Yeah, this is the installation command. So after I press this, it will ask you for the accept the license information. So I'm accepting the license. So once you accepted the license, it will check the prerequisites, like whether your system is compatible to install this Excel Clara in this machine or not. So once all the prerequisites is done, it will go to this loading all the images from the file. So this installation files, it will take a little bit of time. So it will pull all the container images from this Excel Clara images file, and then it will start install, extract everything and start install the images, and then it will up the Docker command. Yeah, so it's loaded all my images and everything is started now. So we are waiting for this Clara to up and running. So once Clara is up and running, we will load the IP address in the browser. The browser that I'm going to use is this Chrome browser. So we will wait for the Clara to up. Okay, Clara installation is done and we can check the Docker status. So all the services are up and running. So we can navigate to the browser. So this is my machine's IP. So while I given that, it moving to the key clock. So for key clock, the default username and password should be present here. So the username will be solutions and then the password is Excel solution 00. Yeah, so we are into this Clara. So you can navigate to all the chatbot activities here. You can manage your workload or you can monitor the environment. Everything you can monitor here. Yeah, thank you.